Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a refreshing strawberry watermelon coconut juice smoothie. This makes a perfect refreshing drink for the summer. And here are the simple 4 ingredients you'll need. 2 cups of watermelon chunks, chilled or frozen. Frozen is best. 1 cup of frozen strawberries. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And chilled coconut water. I'll be using the Zico brand. We're going to use a total of 2 cups of coconut water. So in the blender, first pour in 2 cups of chilled coconut water. Then the 2 cups of watermelon chunks. Add in the 1 cup of frozen strawberries and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then place the lid back on and we'll blend on a medium setting. And here's what you'll get, a nice tropical smoothie juice mix. A nice tropical blend of strawberries, watermelon, and coconut. And with the amount of ingredients we used, it will fill at least 1.5 of a mason jar. There you go, the delicious and refreshing strawberry watermelon coconut juice smoothie drink. And no ice is needed since everything is chilled beforehand. I have to say, these 3 combination of flavors go perfect together. When it's hot outside, this makes the perfect tasting summer drink to refresh and cool down with. Hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Aloha.